Hey students, welcome to TLE Dressmaking and Tailoring 7. This video lesson is about obtaining measurements, body measurements for vertical and horizontal. We are on our week 2, day 3. At the end of the learning period, the student should be able to identify body measurements needed, take accurate body measurements, and value the importance of knowing how to measure correctly. Before we start with our lesson, let us determine how much you know about measurements. Read each item carefully and choose the letter of the best answer. You have 5 seconds to answer. Number 1. This measurement is taken from one shoulder tip point to the other shoulder tip point. Number 2. This measurement is taken from the shoulder passing over the fullest part of the bust down to the waistline. Number 3. This body measurement is taken from the left side of the body to the right and vice versa. Number 4. This measurement is taken from the tip of the bust to the other tip of the bust. And number 5, this body measurement is taken from the top of the body to its base. Let's check your answers. 1C, 2A, 3B, 4A, 5D. Let's take a quick review of our previous lesson. It is used to measure body measurements and is commonly made of fiberglass. The answer? Tape measure. What other measuring systems can be seen in a ruler or tape measure other than inches? The answer? Centimeter. And this tool may also serve as a tape measure. The answer? Ruler. Lesson 6. Body measurements, vertical and horizontal. Great clothes start with accurate measurements. One of the importance of sewing your clothes is getting a personalized fit, and that is achieved through accurate measurements. To achieve this, aside from having the right tools and equipment, you also need to know how to measure accurately. Correct measurements are vital to the success of your garment. In using the tape measure, it should be a bit snug but not tight. Neither should it be loose. Consider ease for movement when measuring. You should be able to put at least 1 to 2 fingers behind the tape. Some general guidelines in taking body measurement. Choose a good and accurate tape measure. It is better to wear fitted clothes when measuring. Stand straight when being measured. Keep measurement level. Follow the old motto, measure twice, cut once. Have a notebook and pen to record measurements. Get help. It is better to have someone assist you. Parts of the body to be measured can be taken in vertical measurement, horizontal measurement, and circumferential measurement. Vertical measurements are body measurements taken from the top of the body to its base. Down center back, taken from the nape of the neck passing over the fullest part of the back down to the waistline. Front shoulder to waist, taken from the shoulder, passing over the fullest part of the bust down to the waistline. Shoulder to bust, taken from the shoulder down to the tip of the bust. Sleeve length, taken from the tip of the shoulder down to the desired level of sleeve. Crotch or rise, taken from the waistline down to the curved part of the crotch. Skirt or pants length, taken from the waistline to the desired length of the shirt or pants. Second body measurement is the horizontal measurements. These are measurements taken from the left side of the body to the right and vice versa. Examples are shoulder measurement, taken from one shoulder tip point to the other shoulder tip point. Chest front, taken under the armpit, passing through the chest to the other armpit. Bust to bust, taken from the tip of the bust to the tip of the other bust. Now let's do some activities. For activity 1, identify the body measurements being asked. Write your answers in your notebook. You have 1 minute to answer. When the song stops, it means time is up. Let's start. For activity 2, classify the given body measurements. Put a check on the column where it should be included. You have 1 minute to answer. Let's start. Now let's check your answers. Let's summarize what you have learned in this module by filling out the missing terms and concepts of body measurements. Why is it important to measure accurately? For our post-test, read each item carefully and choose the letter of the best answer from the choices below. Write your answer in your notebook. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Good luck! Number 1. This measurement is taken from the shoulder down to the tip of the bust. Number 2. This measurement is taken from the tip of the shoulder down to the desired sleeve. Number 3. This measurement is taken from the waistline to the desired length of pants. Number 4. This measurement is taken from the waistline down to the curved part of the crotch. And number 5, this measurement is taken under the armpit, passing through the chest to the other armpit. Let's check your answers. That's it, class. I hope you learned something today. See you next time. Goodbye.